Hello, welcome to C++ course, lecture number 10. The question requires writing a C++ program that prompts the user to input a number, reads the input, and then uses conditional statements to determine and print whether the number is positive, negative, or zero, using if structure. The hashtag include iostrium directive includes the standard input-output stream library. It provides functions for console input and output, screen handling, and text-based interface development. The using namespace std directive allows us to use standard library names without prefixing them with std. The int main function is the entry point of the program. Now we show a message for user. Enter a number. The input from the user and stores it into variable num. The sin object is used for input in C++, and the greater than operator directs the input value into the variable. If the variable num is greater than 0, if true, it prints entered number is positive to the console using cat, ensuring the message appears on a new line with endl. If the value stored in num is less than 0, if this condition is true, it executes the statements inside the block. It prints entered number is negative to the console. This block of code checks if the value store in num is equal to 0. If this condition is true, it executes the statements inside the block. It prints number is 0 to the console. Check if number is positive. Check if number is 0. Check if number is negative.